So let's start with this session, and this session is about Google's AI platform. Okay, so let's start with artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence in one simple line is mimicking human beings. So when we say mimicking human beings, basically like, as a human being, we have senses. We can see things, right? So we can actually act, we can adapt, we can give logical reasoning, we can actually understand things, right? So artificial intelligence is a program that can sense, reason, act, and adapt. So this is basically like a high level definition of artificial intelligence. In one line, if someone asks you like what is artificial intelligence, you can simply say that mimicking human beings. So if you cannot distinguish if the response is coming from a machine or if it is coming from a human being, then you can say it is artificially intelligent software. And that is something like a Turing test, which was performed in 1950s. So that was also similar to the same concept, like mimicking human beings. Now, artificial intelligence is a very vast domain, and machine learning is actually part of artificial intelligence. So in this session also, I will be using machine learning and artificial intelligence interchangeably. So don't get confused. Actually, ML is part of AI. So sometimes I will be using ML, sometimes I will be using AI, but actually the things that we will be doing in this particular session will be related to machine learning, deep learning. So we will be looking into those aspects. So AI is okay. Machine learning, in one line, if I have to define, I will say learning from data. So you basically have a lot of data and you are basically getting the pattern in the data, and you are able to learn something, generalize something. For example, when you upload pictures on Facebook, then Facebook is able to detect this particular person is bhavuk. Even though in the new picture, I am wearing a coat, or I am having, maybe let's say I am having some cap, then also Facebook machine learning is able to identify that this particular person is basically the same person, even though earlier pictures I was not wearing cap, in earlier pictures I was not wearing coat. So it is able to identify this pattern based on the data, and it is able to distinguish noise and the actual pattern in the data. So it is able to detect that, and it is able to infer on the new pictures that do you want to tag bhavuk in this picture. So that's basically machine learning, learning from data, right? So this is very high level definition. So we will move on and we will see like how machine learning, artificial intelligence is different from data science.